Programmatically generate video or animated GIF in Python? I have a series of images that I want to create a video from. Ideally, I could specify a frame duration for each frame, but a fixed frame rate would be fine too. I'm doing this in wxpython, so I can render to a wxtc or I can save the images to files, like PNG. Is there a Python library that will allow me to create either a video, AVI, MPG, etc., or an animated GIF from these frames? Edit, I've already tried Pill and it doesn't seem to work. Can someone correct me with this conclusion or suggest another toolkit? This link seems to back up my conclusion regarding Pill, this URL.
Well, now I'm using ImageMagick. I save my frames as PNG files and then invoke ImageMagick's convert.exe from Python to create an animated GIF. The nice thing about this approach is I can specify a frame duration for each frame individually. Unfortunately, this depends on ImageMagick being installed on the machine. They have a Python wrapper, but it looks pretty crappy and unsupported. Still open to other suggestions.
I'd recommend not using images2gif from BizVis because it has problems with pill/pillow and is not actively maintained. I should know, because I am the author. Instead, please use Imagio, which was developed to solve this problem and more, and is intended to stay. Quick and dirty solution. For longer movies, use the streaming approach.
Here's how you do it using only pill, install with pip install pillow. See docs, this URL.
As of June 2009, the originally cited blog post has a method to create animated GIFs in the comments. Download the script images2gif.py, formerly images2gif.py, update courtesy of @Geographica. Then, to reverse the frames in a GIF, for instance.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.